I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house. So if someone wants to spend a little money in their house, whether it's a remodel or a new build, what's one place that you would suggest they spend that money to get a big impact?
Wallpaper is back in a huge way. It has been probably for 10 years, but there's so many creative new ways that people are doing paper now that can give a huge modern statement, a huge traditional statement. We found that the best way to get a big impact for not a huge expense is to go with one of the amazing wallpapers.
Also, when you're doing wallpaper from a builder's perspective, you can do as cheap as a lick and stick wallpaper. I hate to use that term, but then you also can spend a lot of time and energy and money with the right sheetrocker and the right painter to prep the walls to make sure that you're installing that certain type of paper in a very professional way. It makes it friendly for all different budgets.
Exactly.